Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called emulatorgames.net. So you might be familiar with the various gaming devices that you might have used. Now you can play all those games that you have played in various devices like Nintendo, PlayStation, Game Boy Color, all those things from your laptop because your laptop can emulate these devices. So some of the tools like Game Boy Color, some of the devices like Game Boy Color, the games within there long time back, these games used to be very popular. Now if I take something like Mario Various, now if I want to play this game, I can click on play game and this will load here and I can say run game. Now it's downloading that game and you can run it from here. Similarly, you have 64 in, then you have Super Mario and other games. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.